This is my workbench. There are many like it, but this one is mine. It's the whole rifle poem. Not going to go into that. Anyhow, yeah, I've been using this thing for over 2 decades, and it was just made from this steel card I found in a parking lot of a defunct business. And I thought, that's pretty heavy duty. I'll throw a top on that and use it. It's had a couple different configurations over the years. I've had to replace the wheels. I need something that rolls because I'm currently in a garage space where a car has to be parked here every night. It can handle literally a ton of weight on it. I've had all kinds of weight on this thing and rolled it around. One wheel now does have to be replaced. That's a shopping cart wheel over there. It's just kind of funny. I found a group on Facebook. I'm real excited. It's a Workbench Builders group because now I'm motivated and I want to build a better version of this. The top will be something that will pop off the base a little bit easy. Still have a nice rigid heavy duty timber type frame on it. It'll be a similar design. I like that these ends wing out. I want it to wing out on all 4 sides for more clamping versatility rather. And like this here, I'll post pictures in the group later where I'll clamp things just to this and keep it flush with the top to do crazy circular saw cuts or whatever. It really comes in handy. Record vise, these heavy duty jaws. I could put a bike frame in here. I do a lot of different type of work. I've scarred up the inside of these quite a bit. I just put this masonite in here recently. I was doing some wood joinery, so didn't want to screw that up. The vise is interesting. It always worked great. Lately it's been very tight. And it's because I put this part back on. I noticed this when I came back. I was on the road for a while and I came back and this plate wasn't attached over here. So I attached it to both these rods and now it's just not running smoothly. So I have to break this thing down and clean it out or something. I don't know, it's weird. So I'll fix that. Keep a scraper up here for scraping the glue off. Some sanding blocks. You know, it's nothing super special, but it works. And again, to use that word versatile, extremely versatile. I'm not just a woodworker, it's my main thing. I've been building furniture for 30 years, been in the trades that long, and I was in the film industry. That's where I got the sled idea for that saw. I got a old rolling toolbox over there. I might show that to you later. I mean, but this just really garbage put together. I mean, these old boxes here are really nothing special, 25 years old or something. I just made that shelf, slapped them on there, and I've got this thing here I made recently for hardware. It's from scrap wood, nothing special. Bookend, book matched ends here of cherry. I do kind of like the way I do these handles to move. That's a glue up. And this is from an old top I had, and that was an end I could put on there and turn the end of the bench into a brake to bend metal. And do that a few times. So I'm going to do another version of this. I'll give you some basic dimensions on it. Everybody always wants to know. So it is about 25 inches wide. It is, this is the top obviously, it's 64 inches long. And let's see on the height here. So it's over 3. It's about 36.5 inches tall. I'm 5'9". This works out perfect for me. Got my Mike Z sticker on there. If you were to go to Mike Z Design, the Facebook page, and look at the picture folders, select all, and look at the projects, the complete build picture folders, you'll see this bench being used so many different ways. It's pretty amazing, and I'm humbled by the beautiful, intricate, over-the-top benches I'm seeing in this group. And I've always been humbled and have admired the work people put into their workbenches. I wish I could do that. I mean, I could do it. I'm capable of doing it. It's not my kind of thing. I mean, I'm working hard here, and I needed to do what I needed to do. But I'm going to do a better version of this. I'm going to make a timber frame, heavy duty frame. I think I mentioned earlier, the top will be able to pop off so I can slide it in the van if I want to break it down that way. I want to still be able to store the stuff I store in here on it, maybe more. You see there's a lot of wasted space. And there is modern hardware, you know, rolling hardware. I don't know. That stuff's kind of pricey, so I'm going to probably try to come up with my own system to still be able to roll it around, but maybe it doesn't have to sit on wheels all the time. Does this move? Yeah, sure, it moves a little. When I don't want it to move, I just wedge those wheels. And it locks it in place real well. No big deal. I got plenty of wood scrap around, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So, you know, we all nerd out on something. I nerd out on dozens of things. And this will be the latest thing to nerd out on. So all you bench nerds, go ahead and nerd out on it. And thanks for the motivation. Something cool will be coming along here pretty soon.